We live in a world awash in data. Every second, our digital actions contribute to an ever-growing ocean of information. From the moment we wake up and check our phones to the emails we send, the social media posts we like, and the online purchases we make, data is being generated at an unprecedented rate. Every day we generate an unfathomable amount of information. This data is not just numbers and text, it includes images, videos, and even the metadata that describes our digital interactions. The sheer volume of data is staggering, and it continues to grow exponentially. From our online clicks to scientific observations, the sheer volume of data is staggering. Scientists and researchers are constantly collecting data from experiments, observations, and simulations. Businesses gather data to understand consumer behavior and improve their services. Governments collect data to make informed policy decisions. The applications are endless. This data holds within it the secrets to understanding our world, our universe, and ourselves. It can reveal patterns and trends that were previously invisible, offering insights into everything from climate change to human health. But to unlock these secrets, we need the right tools and techniques. But like the distant galaxies shrouded in cosmic dust, these secrets are often hidden from view. The data is there, but it's buried under layers of complexity and noise. Extracting meaningful insights from this vast ocean of information is a monumental challenge. To unlock these mysteries, we need a new kind of telescope, a tool capable of peering into the vast ocean of data and revealing the hidden truths within. This is where advanced technologies come into play, enabling us to sift through the noise and focus on what truly matters. This is where artificial intelligence comes in. AI has the potential to transform the way we handle and interpret data. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, AI can identify patterns and correlations that would be impossible for humans to detect on their own. Specifically, a new breed of AI known as DeepSeek AI is revolutionizing the way we explore and understand data. DeepSeek AI is designed to delve deep into complex datasets, uncovering hidden patterns and generating insights that can drive innovation and discovery. DeepSeek AI is not just a tool, it's a partner in discovery, helping us navigate the complexities of the data universe and uncover insights that would otherwise remain hidden. It can process vast amounts of information at incredible speeds, providing us with real-time analysis and actionable insights. Imagine having a powerful ally capable of sifting through mountains of information, identifying patterns, and presenting them to you in a way that is both insightful and actionable. This is the promise of DeepSeek AI. It empowers us to make data-driven decisions with confidence, transforming raw data into valuable knowledge. This is the promise of DeepSeek AI. As we continue to generate more data, the role of AI in helping us understand and utilize this information will only become more critical. The future of data exploration is here, and it is powered by DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI is a powerful new artificial intelligence platform designed to revolutionize the way we interact with data. It's designed to dive deep into data and uncover hidden patterns that are often overlooked by traditional methods. Unlike traditional data analysis tools, which often rely on predefined algorithms and human intervention, DeepSeek AI goes beyond simply crunching numbers. It learns from the data itself, developing an understanding of the context and relationships within, much like a human brain, but with far greater capacity and speed. This allows it to uncover insights that would be impossible for humans to find on their own, revealing connections and trends that are hidden deep within the data. Think of it as a digital explorer, venturing into the vast, uncharted territories of data. Equipped with the intelligence to recognize significant landmarks and interpret their meaning, it navigates through complex datasets with ease. It can then chart these newly discovered landscapes, making the information accessible and understandable for us, transforming raw data into actionable insights. This ability to learn and adapt makes DeepSeek AI a game-changer in the world of data analysis, continuously evolving as it processes more information. It's no longer just about what we ask, it's about what the data itself reveals, opening up new possibilities and insights that were previously unimaginable. From healthcare to finance and from marketing to scientific research, DeepSeek AI is poised to transform industries by providing deeper, more accurate insights. By predicting trends and assisting in decision-making processes, it empowers professionals to make more informed choices, ultimately driving innovation and progress. As we move forward, the collaboration between humans and AI will only grow stronger, leading us into a new era of discovery and understanding. The potential applications of DeepSeek AI are as vast as the universe itself. In healthcare, it is being used to analyze patient data and identify early warning signs of disease. This allows doctors to intervene earlier and potentially save lives. DeepSeek AI is also helping researchers develop new drugs and therapies by identifying promising avenues of research. In the business world, DeepSeek AI is transforming the way companies operate. By analyzing customer data, businesses can understand their customers better than ever before. This allows them to personalize marketing campaigns, optimize pricing strategies, and develop products that meet the specific needs of their target audience. The ability to predict customer behavior and market trends gives businesses a significant competitive edge. Several key features set DeepSeek AI apart from traditional data analysis tools. One of the most important is its ability to learn autonomously. This means that it can continuously improve its performance without the need for human intervention. As it processes more data, it becomes better at identifying patterns and making connections. This constant learning ensures that DeepSeek AI remains at the forefront of data analysis. Another key feature is its contextual understanding. Unlike other AI systems that simply look for patterns, DeepSeek AI strives to understand the meaning behind the data. It considers the relationships between different data points, much like an astronomer studying the constellations. This allows it to provide insights that are not only accurate but also relevant and actionable. Section 5. The Cosmic Dance of DeepSeek AI. The process of using DeepSeek AI is like embarking on a cosmic dance with data. It begins with feeding the AI vast quantities of information. This could be anything from sales figures and customer demographics to scientific observations and medical records. DeepSeek AI then ingests this data, its algorithms whirring to life as it begins to explore the intricate patterns hidden within. Next, the magic happens. DeepSeek AI doesn't just process data, it interacts with it. It forms connections, identifies outliers, and begins to weave a narrative from the seemingly disparate pieces of information. This is where its autonomous learning and contextual understanding come into play, allowing it to sift through the noise and extract meaningful insights. Section 6. Benefits, a universe of possibilities. The benefits of using DeepSeek AI are as numerous as the stars in the sky. Businesses can leverage the platform to gain a competitive edge. By understanding customer behavior and market trends, they can make informed decisions that drive growth and profitability. Researchers can use DeepSeek AI to accelerate scientific discovery. It can analyze complex datasets to identify potential breakthroughs in medicine, materials science, and other fields. For society as a whole, DeepSeek AI offers the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. By analyzing data from climate models, we can develop strategies to mitigate the effects of climate change. We can use it to improve urban planning, optimize resource allocation, and even predict and prevent natural disasters. Section 7. Navigating the ethical nebula. As with any powerful technology, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications of DeepSeek AI. One concern is the potential for bias. If the data used to train the AI is biased, the insights it generates will also be biased. This could lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Ensuring that the training data is diverse and representative is essential to mitigate this risk. Transparency is another important consideration. It's essential to understand how DeepSeek AI arrives at its conclusions. This allows us to identify potential errors or biases and ensure that the technology is being used responsibly. Open communication and collaboration between AI developers, ethicists, and the public are crucial to building trust and ensuring the ethical development and deployment of this powerful technology. Section 8. The future of DeepSeek AI. The future of DeepSeek AI is bright, full of potential and possibility. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the advancements in AI technology are set to transform every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to education, from urban planning to the arts, the applications of DeepSeek AI are as diverse as they are groundbreaking. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. Engineers and scientists are tirelessly working to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Their efforts are paving the way for a future where machines can learn, adapt, and even predict human needs with unprecedented accuracy. Imagine a world where DeepSeek AI helps us unlock the secrets of the human brain, leading to breakthroughs in the treatment of Alzheimer's and other neurological disorders. This technology could revolutionize the way we understand and treat mental health, providing new hope for millions of people around the globe. Picture a future where it helps us design sustainable cities, develop personalized education plans for every student, and create environments that are not only efficient, but also harmonious with nature. The potential for AI to contribute to a more sustainable and equitable world is immense, and even compose breathtaking works of art and music. The creative possibilities are endless, as AI collaborates with human artists to push the boundaries of what is possible in the realms of music, painting, and beyond. The journey of DeepSeek AI is just beginning. As we continue to explore the vast potential of this technology, we are only scratching the surface of what it can achieve. The roadmap ahead is filled with exciting possibilities and uncharted territories. As we venture further into the cosmos of data, we will undoubtedly encounter challenges along the way. These challenges will test our ingenuity, our resilience, and our commitment to ethical development. But they will also drive us to innovate and find solutions that we never thought possible. But with careful consideration, collaboration, and a commitment to ethical development, DeepSeek AI has the potential to revolutionize our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. By working together and prioritizing the well-being of all, we can harness the power of AI to create a future that is not only technologically advanced but also just and inclusive for everyone. Section 9. A final thought. The universe is vast and full of mysteries. For millennia, we have gazed at the stars and wondered what secrets they hold. Today we stand at the cusp of a new era of discovery, one where we can explore not just the cosmos above but also the hidden dimensions within data itself. With DeepSeek AI as our guide, we have the potential to unlock unprecedented knowledge, solve complex problems, and shape a brighter future for all humankind.